And this is the last trailer with all the old saws. So we got them piled up outside here. Got a pallet of mcCulloch 2-mans. There's about 8 of them in there. And then a little 610, 605, 650 pile. Timber bears. Had some of the big homies out today. Got some nice runners in there. This is a trailer that used to be stacked way steep with chainsaws, and we finally got it some shelves in it. A little Barker came in yesterday. Pioneer 850, homlite 26s. One of the big distance DO 100. And the Reed Prentice Craftsman 1200 in there. A couple of the Bradleys and Clinton Bulldog. Down here we got a pile of malls. Bottom couple of rows there are all homelites. Some more malls, Remingtons, some IELs. There's the old AB. Lombard. And then the mall piles. Just too many of the mcCulloch piles. Lots of Macs in here. And it's kind of an assortment over here. A lot of Pioneers. And up above is a bunch of jonsreds. Some off-brands. Some pretty nice homelites in the back there. PM Wood Boss. Someday we'll get it cleaned up.